Welcome to an in-depth tutorial that will unveil the secrets of achieving the stunning gradient lip, featuring both the ombre and blurred effects. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through the step-by-step process of creating a mesmerizing lip look that seamlessly transitions from one shade to another, adding depth and dimension to your lips. Whether you're aiming for a soft and subtle everyday look or a bold and striking statement, the gradient lip technique offers endless possibilities for experimentation. The gradient lip, characterized by its smooth transition of color, is a makeup trend that has taken the beauty world by storm. With the ombre effect, you'll master the art of blending two distinct lip colors to create a captivating visual gradient. The blurred effect, on the other hand, focuses on diffusing the lip color for a soft and dreamy appearance. We'll start by prepping your lips, an essential step that ensures a smooth canvas for the application of lip products. Hydrated and exfoliated lips provide the perfect base for achieving a flawless gradient lip. Next, we'll delve into the world of lip liners and lipsticks, carefully selecting the shades you'll use for your gradient lip. From bold reds to subtle pinks, the color combinations are limited only by your creativity. You'll learn how to strategically apply the colors, starting with the darker shade on the outer corners of your lips and gradually transitioning to the lighter shade towards the center. Blending is the key to achieving a seamless gradient, and we'll guide you through the process of softly blending the two colors together. With precise techniques and the right tools, you'll create a jaw-dropping ombre effect that enhances your lip shape. For the blurred effect, we'll take a slightly different approach. You'll discover how to apply the lip colors using a tapping motion, diffusing the edges for a softer appearance. The result is a lip look that appears effortlessly kissed by color. Throughout the tutorial, we'll emphasize the importance of patience and practice. Achieving the perfect gradient lip requires finesse and attention to detail, but with each attempt, you'll refine your skills and create lips that truly make a statement. Whether you're going for a romantic date night, a chic daytime look, or an avant-garde statement, the gradient lip technique allows you to tailor your lip look to your mood and style. With a few key tips and techniques, you'll have the confidence to experiment with color combinations and create gradient lips that showcase your artistic flair. So, get ready to master the gradient lip, explore the world of ombre and blurred effects, and unlock the secret to achieving lips that command attention and admiration.